Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we are checking out this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is Oxford white, and under the hood is a 5-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps and an engine block heater. And up to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2023 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel, with our cruise control options on the left, and our median entry option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking over at our center face, you'll see options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, and features. Which is below being our climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.